Namaste, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. So this is the first video I'm shooting after we hit 100 subscribers because all the other videos you have seen was pre-shooted. So I couldn't, show my gratitude for hitting 100 subscribers. Thanks for that. From the beginning, you guys are supporting me and I'm really thankful from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thanks a lot for 100 subscribers. And now, right now, as I'm doing this video, I have like 105 subscribers. So thanks, and so many zeros can be added to that, but these 100 subscribers are precious and special to me. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. And so actually I was not planning to do this video as I'm not, I'm having cold, but still, so thank you guys, I'm making this video. I'm going to create this look. If you like this look, keep on watching. I have moisturized my skin well, and moisturizing your skin is key to get flawless makeup finish look. So let's start with our base makeup. I'm going to start with foundation, and this foundation is from Maybelline. I'm going to take beauty sponge. I have taken enough foundation and I have hacked to flawlessly blend the foundation. So I'm going to spray setting spray on this. And now let's start applying foundation. The leftover I'm going to apply to my neck and then start blending on my face. So setting spray helps in blending the foundation well and it won't look cakey as well. So you can see the dewy finish. So that's why I used setting spray and it looks good. See how well it blended. I'm just going to apply little bit just here. As you're using setting spray, you don't need to, you don't have to set it again. But if your skin is oily type or a combination skin, try to set wherever your skin get oily. So that. I'm going to use Sugar's translucent powder to set my under eyes as I've used concealer. See how flawless it looks, and it don't look heavy on your skin in person also. So next I'm going to apply blush on my cheeks. So here I'm using this blush from Sugar. Onto your nose, little bit. And this blush is kind of natural color. It fits perfectly to all skin tones, I guess. It is warm tone blush, so it looks natural. And the next step is highlighter. Here also you'll see the trick. So now I'm going to apply as it is. See that finish, but I'll also give you one hack. Take your highlighter on your sponge and apply setting spray, and now see the glow See that? Instant luminous effect. And also don't forget to highlight your here, which will lift your look to next level. Don't forget setting spray. See that? So after this I'm going to apply eyeshadow, where I'm taking this shade first and then this and shimmer. For that also I'm going to use beauty sponge. So even for this, setting spray will help to get more pigment in one swatch. So let's start. Do it yourself and thank me later. After first layer, I'm going to take this dark brown shade to my outer corners and blend till the middle of my lid. As it is dark shade, we can use the same side of the beauty blender. So now just try to smoothen the edges using your finger or brush. So you kind of get brown ombre effect. See? So like this. After this, we are going to add shimmer. So I'm going to take this first and then this. The shimmer is same shade of the darker shade we used for outer corners. So let's highlight that first. It's done, and now we are going to add golden detailing. For that I'm going to use the back of the beauty blender, as it is light and I just don't want to mix any shade with that. So let's spray. See this? Eye makeup is done. To finish up with this, I'm going to highlight my inner corners. As I'm not a big fan of kajal or eyeliner, let's finish our eye makeup with lots of mascara. Another hack, take out all the excess from this wand. And then brush your eyebrows so it will be clean and it will add some color to your eyebrow as well, and it will fill the gaps. You have to be careful because you don't give pressure on that, just lightly apply. So you don't want to get full mascara on your eyebrows. So after that, take clean spoolie and brush so that it don't look like it don't sit stiff. So you need to brush it well. So it's done. So my makeup is all done and I'm not going to apply setting spray again because as I've used setting spray for all the steps. But still you can finish up with setting spray if you have long function to attend or long day to go. But I'm just skipping that part for now. And our last step is lipstick, and for that I'm going to mix 3 lip shades. So first I'll start with this shade from Faces Canada. So after applying first shade, I'll just wait for like a minute or something because we are going to just add shades of pink on top of this to just give, you know, ombre or kind of fully nude effect. So that, and after that I'm going to top this up with this shade, which is Meher by MAC. I'm not dragging this to outer corners, I'm just doing it in the middle. Our third lip shade is this from Faces Canada. And I'm going to apply this to outer corners. You need to blend little bit so that it looks smooth. So our lipstick is done, and before it was looking quite dark, but now it's subtle and it looks plump and flushy. So it looks natural. So here we finished our festive look. So I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. All the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.